Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue square ABCD as you can see in this given diagram. And moreover, BD is the diagonal of this blue square such that segment BP is equal to this segment PD. In other words, this point P is the midpoint of this diagonal. And moreover, this green shaded square is fully confined inside this blue square. And furthermore, the area of this blue shaded right triangle has been given to us as 100 centimeter square. And now our task is to calculate the perimeter of this green shaded square. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this green shaded square. And I'm going to label its side length as lowercase a, since all the sides are equal. So this side is going to be lowercase a, and lowercase a across the board. And now let's make an observation. Let's focus on this diagonal BD, and we can see that P is the midpoint. So therefore we conclude that this point P is the center of this blue square ABCD. And since this point P is the center of this blue square, so therefore this segment BF length has got to be equal to this CF length. If this is lowercase a, and then this BF segment length is going to be lowercase a as well. And likewise, this segment DE length is going to be lowercase a as well. That is going to be equal to this side. So therefore, the whole side length of this blue square ABCD is going to be a plus a is going to give us 2 times a. If this side is 2 times a, then this side is going to be 2 times a, 2 times a, and 2 times a across the board. And now since we are interested in calculating the perimeter of this green shaded square, and we know the perimeter is simply the sum of all these side lengths of this green shaded square. So therefore the green shaded square perimeter is going to be a plus a plus a plus a is going to give us 4 times a. And now our only task is to find the value of lowercase a before we could calculate the perimeter. And now we are going to focus on this blue shaded right triangle DAB. And bear in mind that this angle has got to be a 90-degree angle since we are dealing with this blue square. And since the area of this blue shaded triangle has been given to us as 100 centimeters square. So therefore, let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this triangle is 2 times a, and likewise the height is 2 times a as well. And the area is 100. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So our area of the triangle is 100 is going to be equal to a half times our base is 2 times a times the height is 2 times a as well. And now we can see this 2 and 1 divided by 2, they are gone. So therefore we are ended up with the 2 times a square equals to 100. And now I am going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate a square. So therefore our a square value is going to be equal to 50. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking square root on both sides. So therefore our lowercase a value has got to be positive 5 times the square root of 2 centimeter. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of this green shaded square. And now let's recall this equation. Green shaded square perimeter is 4 times a. And we already figured out our lowercase a value as 5 times square root of 2. So therefore, we are going to replace this lowercase a with the 5 times square root of 2 over here. So therefore, let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So 4 times 5 times square root of 2. So therefore, that is going to give us 20 times square root of 2 centimeter, the perimeter of this green shaded square. So thus the perimeter of this green shaded square turns out to be 20 times square root of 2 centimeters. And that's going to be approximately equal to 28.3 centimeter as well. So thus the perimeter of this green shaded square is going to be 20 times square root of 2 centimeter. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.